Bananas. We love them for so many reasons. They are rich in potassium, they make our smoothie bowls creamier, and they make for great weapons. This one is not really shaped like a pistol, but anyway, today I will give you one more reason to love them. This is the story of Naruse Kiyoshi, his legendary banana paper, and the indelible mark he has left on the world of design and craftsmanship in Bali and beyond.
Mr. Worldwide.
Our story starts in summer of '92. At the time, Naruse was a freelance editor, and he came to Bali to write about local Balinese fishermen and their tuna exports to Japan. Something sprouts and grows, and in '95 he decides to move to Bali. And then a few years later, his friend tells him about a workshop that he did in Australia, and you might have guessed it, it was a workshop about banana paper. So Naruse starts to experiment and research, and then 4 years later, all this culminates in him opening his own banana paper studio, making products that defy the conventional idea we have about banana. Let me show you. What is this? So how is banana paper made? And why? I mean, why banana? The main ingredient is banana stalks, so the trunk, which is generally considered waste, a byproduct from banana farming. But the thing is that these stalks contain a natural glue, which acts as a binder for the paper, giving it the same strength and durability as Japanese washi paper, the original stuff. I mean, like this thing is strong, but Naruse's formula also includes pineapple leaves and the soft pith inside the durian fruit skin. These two elements also contain this natural glue. So, stalks get peeled and sliced, boiled, in some cases bleached. Screens get dipped, pulp gets scooped and spread, water drips, sheets get dry, and then rolled and stacked. Oh, and also sometimes dyed. With natural colors like indigo, curcuma, crazy stuff. So yeah, that's how you turn waste into paper. Then this paper is used for shojis, like these, thick. Lamps, of course, like those, and installations and other design elements. So what do they all share? Resilience, grace, and the unique story of the plants and the hands that gave them birth. No bananas were harmed in the making of this video, but I ate quite a few. Yeah, thank you for watching. And you, what would you do with banana paper? Tell me in the comments. All right, bye.